as we discussed with you in the last vlog. Um, we have already done our packing yesterday, most of it. We will be going ahead and waking up our kids now, getting ready, and we are aiming to leave by 6 a.m., which appears to be a little tight right now with time, but yes, that's how it is. Stay tuned with us.
Bye guys. We
Bye
will
bye.
meet you soon. Just stay tuned.
All right, bye bye.
Satvik. Satvik. Sanu. चलो.
सात्विक रिवर पे जाने ना, रिवर पे.
Wow.
सात्विक रिवर पे जाने ना. चलो चलो चलो, सब रेडी हो गए. लेट्स गो टू रिवर. कम 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 कम. रिवर पापा टॉय लेके आए हैं. सरप्राइज. चलो चलो get up get up get up. न्यू टॉय इज देयर. सरप्राइज भी है पापा. सरप्राइज. दिखाएं पापा टॉय. देखना है टॉय. चलो आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. फिर get up good boy good boy. Come.
Just give him like 5 minutes. He'll wake up.
Yeah, turn on the light as well.
Can I join now?
So hi guys, we are finally ready. It's 6 as per what we decided to go off. So it's appearing that everything is on time. So here is the stuff that we are taking with us. You can see a lot of stuff here, a lot of bags, some of our shooting stuff as well, suitcase. Then we have a potty seat for Satvik, who doesn't do anywhere else apart from this. Then we have diaper bag, Monica bag, and yes, we all appears to be ready, and I think we would be leaving in next 2-3 minutes.
Hi, Rishikesh. We are coming.
She's my wife. I don't know why she's angry now. What have I done wrong again? I will try to find it on the way. Let's see.
Guys, this is us moving out. Deru! Wow! Satvik! Hey, Utla! Woo! Hey, we are moving out. Hi, Tong. Hi, Rohit. Satvik, bye-bye. क्या फ्रूटी गुडी
करो मत करो उसके साथ.
दारू
हाँ तो ये भी रखो साथ के अंदर.
Satvik, hey
सूट तो पहनी हुए हैं क्या करूं? कहाँ जाना है? नहीं जाना है, तो घर पे रहना है।
Ippy, crying boy. He's about to go bald. We are going to Rishikesh. Sana
I didn't give a shit in that.
Satvik, are you happy? Really? Good. So, Papa is very helpful carrying all the
Satvik, no.
Yeah, open. Ruko, when the car is going, Papa will open. We will stand, okay? Not now. You want to open this roof? Papa will open. Okay, Deru?
packed our stuff. सारी डिक्की भर चुकी है सामान से. There are suitcases and here is Satvik. Hi Satvik. And here it is Monica. So I think we are ready to go.
Bye bye. So guys, finally we are leaving. We are on our way. Because enjoying there. By what time are we gonna reach our destination?
I think
Any idea?
it's 5.5 hours, 6 hours from here. Let's see with kids how many breaks we take, so it's gonna depend on that as well. Yes, Tata. Yes, Daddy.
It's going to be a long journey, guys. I mean, with 2 kids, we have never traveled before this long. Let's cross our fingers and see how the journey goes. Where are we going? Meru. और वहाँ जा रहे हैं. You buy that magnet, not magnet. Phone cover आते हैं, basic, so that you can paste it in the mirror. नेहरू चले कहाँ चले ऋषिकेश डॉग के पास What a nice sunrise. Satvik, can you say hi? Hi. Hi guys. Okay, Mama will make it. Can you say hi guys? How are you? बारिश? No, it's not बारिश. Clean हो गया? Clean हो गया? Okay. Be careful, beta.
So guys, we have crossed Delhi. We are moving towards Rishikesh, as you guys know already. It's a nice sun outside. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not in the video, but yes, it's a good sunny day. I think summers are approaching Delhi for sure. So yeah, both of my kids have gone. They have slept, one in the lap of the mother and one in the lap of the babysitter at the back. And it's been almost now 1.5 hours, I think, that we have left from home. 70 minutes approximately. So family members are already saying to have a stop somewhere. So maybe in another 15 to 30 minutes, if we find a good place, we're gonna have a stop and then we will proceed further. गाइस, तो हमने दिल्ली क्रॉस कर लिया है. अब हम ऋषिकेश की तरफ चल रहे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे, अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो सोनीपत, मेरठ, हरिद्वार की तरफ ये रास्ता जा रहा है. हाईवे बहुत अच्छा है गाइस, कोई खड्डे नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बहुत स्मूथ हाईवे है. 6 लेन 8 लेन हाईवे बना हुआ है. कार की स्पीड भी अच्छी आ रही है और ड्राइव करने में, गाड़ी चलाने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है मेरे को. सूरज बहुत अच्छा निकला हुआ है गाइस आज. सनी डे है, बहुत दिनों के बाद मेरे को सनी डे दिखा है तो बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. दोनों बच्चे मेरे सो गए हैं. एक मम्मी की गोदी में है और एक बेबी सीटर की गोदी में है. या पापा को ये नया रास्ता नहीं पता था, तो कि वो दूसरे रास्ते से ही जाते थे हमेशा, तो उनको लगा कि हम गलत रास्ते पे आ गए हैं और वो हमें बोल रहे थे कि आप दूसरा रास्ता पे जाओ, आप गलत रास्ते पे जा रहे हो. क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में जब भी ट्रैवल किया है तो वो दूसरे वाले हाईवे से ट्रैवल किया है, जो पुराने वाला हाईवे है गाइस. तो यस, बता दिया कि नहीं ये नया रास्ता बना हुआ है और रोड बहुत अच्छी है गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी इसके ऊपर इट्स वेरी गुड।
On the side of the road, they are cultivating rice, crop, vegetables around here, around the it's nice view. Very nice. Guys, we're going to Thailand.
Yeah, guys,
Which part of Thailand is
which part of Thailand are we going to?
Bangkok.
Bangkok. By road, huh?
I look for dog.
Very
Nobody
nice.
know honey.
So yes, we are having fun, guys. We are enjoying the journey. हमने दिल्ली क्रॉस कर लिया है अब और हम ऋषिकेश की तरफ जा रहे हैं. I don't know why these guys are having.
Lady boy. After 1 year coming back from Thailand, he will be a girl.
रोड्स बहुत अच्छी है गाइस, फॉर श्योर रोड्स बहुत अच्छी हैं. नया हाईवे है. मेरे फादर को बीच में ऐसा लगा कि हमने गलत रास्ता पकड़ लिया है, तो 2 बार मेरे को डांट पड़ चुकी है, पर मैंने उनको समझाया है कि नहीं ये नया रास्ता है, नया एक्सप्रेसवे बना है, ये वो वाला रास्ता है. जस्ट फॉर आप सबकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, ये वही रास्ता है जिसको मोदी जी ने 2 दिन पहले इनॉग्रेट भी किया है, जिसमें बोला है कि दिल्ली टू देहरादून इन 2.5 आवर्स. तो हाँ, ये वही रास्ता है. तो हम देखते हैं कि हम कितनी देर में पहुंच पाते हैं. हम देहरादून तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, पर इसी रास्ते में बीच में एक कट पड़ता है जो कि हरिद्वार को मुड़ जाता है, पर मेजर रास्ता वही है. तो लेट्स सी कि कितना टाइम लगता है. और जो ये हमारे गवर्नमेंट का बोलना है कि 2 से 2.5 घंटे में दिल्ली से देहरादून, तो लेट्स सी कि कितना सच होता है और कितना नहीं होता है.
New journalist on the way.
या न्यूज़ जर्नलिस्ट गाइस, अगर ये काम बढ़िया लगा तो मेरे को, मैं फिर उसमें शिफ्ट हो जाऊंगा अपनी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब से और मैं न्यूज़ जर्नलिस्ट बन जाऊंगा. हैप्पी गाइस, आर यू हैप्पी नाउ?
Journalist or YouTuber? We are stopping here to have some breakfast or lunch. Pure veg cuisine. This is in Meerut. Deria is throwing tantrum. I guess they are tired now.
Oh my god. I haven't slept last night, so I'm not in the right sense. Even my voice is not coming out.
Wow.
You want to donate something, Nene?
I
You're
don't
the
bring
richest.
cash.
You're the richest amongst us right now.
I don't have cash.
So guys, we have stopped here. It's UP 15 restaurant near Meerut, and kids wanted to have some food, so we have stopped here and we are ordering our food. Let's see what all is available.
Hot, hot.
Delu,
Hot.
satwe.
Hot. Funny. Ito ay coffee na daw, pila zingo.
It's never easy, guys, to travel with 2 kids for sure. This is what I'm realizing slowly. है ना
दो
साथवे?
चाय
आसान नहीं होता ना, मुश्किल होता है ना,
हाँ बुलाओ कॉफी.
बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना. हाँ, आप बहुत नॉटी हो ना. कौन है नॉटी फिर? धैर्य नॉटी है. धैर्य तो देखो कितनी आराम से बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे.
Dahil naman kita masak. Sabi, kaning yung kita leman yung Guys, we love traveling. What about you?
Traveling is good, but when it comes with kids, it's a little difficult. I have realized that in 2 hours
I
only.
love traveling. I never mentioned that. He is the one who mentioned.
No, I do, but I never knew that these 2 devils.
It's gonna spoil my trip. Not spoil, but it needs a lot of adjustment.
He's not even letting me vlog. He's playing with my tripod.
And the other one.
Other one. Papa.
Daryl, can you say hi? Hi. He's always ready. See, he did not even change his clothes, guys. This is his night dress.
That's how we came. Oh, Deru खाना आ गया. Wow.
This is breakfast. This is aloo paratha. Same.
Gobi.
What is this?
This is mixed pakoda. This is gobi ka parantha. This is aloo pyaj ka parantha. Thank you.
Chole bhature.
Guys, my dosa. Very long. We are going to enjoy our meal.
A small mukbang.
Oh.
गाइस हमने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है. हमने यहाँ यूपी 15 में ब्रेकफास्ट किया था. नाउ वी आर रेडी टू गो हेड टूवर्ड्स ऋषिकेश. थोड़ा टाइम से लेट चल रहे हैं. देखते हैं कि किस टाइम पे हम पहुँचते नहीं पहुँचते, पर जब बच्चों के साथ चलो तो थोड़ा सा लेट हो ही जाता है. सारे लोग गाड़ी में बैठ रहे हैं अब, और अब हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे ऋषिकेश के लिए. ये हमारा दिल्ली से मेरठ के बीच में तीसरा स्टॉप है. कभी किसी बच्चे को टॉयलेट जाना है, कभी किसी को जाना है, कभी किसी को कुछ खाना है. तो यस इट इज़. और यहाँ देहरू मेरे को बुला रहा है. पापा पापा से हाय देहरू. हाय बोले. हाँ ओके गाइस, मिलते हैं आपको अब ऋषिकेश में.
Weh, kudu. Mood swinging.
So guys, we are about to reach Rishikesh now. हरिद्वार क्रॉस कर दिया है हमने. ऋषिकेश पहुंचने वाले हैं. ये सामने बोर्ड पे इस दिखा रहा है कि सिर्फ 14 किलोमीटर्स रह गया है ऋषिकेश. बद्रीनाथ इज़ 300 एंड देहरादून इज़ 40 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम हियर. दिल्ली वालों को जो ग्रीनरी, अच्छा वेदर चाहिए होता है, आई थिंक वो स्टार्ट हो गया है. वेदर भी थोड़ा सा, बाहर धूप है बहुत, लेकिन ठंडक है, हवा में ठंडक है. ये नीचे गंगा रिवर जा रही है.
Dry up now.
और सामने आप लोगों को पहाड़ दिख रहे होंगे.
So guys, we are just about to reach our resort. This is the way towards it.
Monica is not incomplete. Monica is not complete without Rohit. Rohit is not complete without Monica.
How are you feeling after seeing the mountains after
Wherever they go together.
Ninay? How are you feeling?
Like a hometown, Manipur.
है ना?
Yeah.
For us, it's like we are kind of
Country road, take me home. That type shit.
Hey. Where are we? Say mountains. Do you like the mountains? Yes.
ये रहा मंकी. सात्विक देना है आपको.
Monkey.
मंकी को देना.
देखो guys, what have we come
देखो देखो
across?
मंकी.
Mountain cow. Salvik, this is mountain cow.
बस 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 एक ही देना है. वन मोर.
देखो, if you give them service ज़्यादा देंगे ना तो वो फाइट करेंगे. देखो,
हाँ
एक दूसरे से फाइट करेंगे.
चलो लास्ट दे दो, लास्ट दे दो, लास्ट फटाफट.
He's trying to feed the monkeys. We thought there'll be river, water. The water is totally dry.
Yes.
What a luck.
Let's go for fishing. I want to fish, yeah.
But there is no water. What will you fish?
Buy net.
What will you fish? There's no water. This is what I'm saying.
No, small fish will stay there, na.
Monica. Now we are entering a resort.
So we have finally reached our resort. So gonna enjoy. Wow, look at the view.
चले
Tuna,
चलो let's go.
so good, right?
This is
Nahi?
oh yeah.
The place is like very refreshing.
हाँ बेटा ये आप रहने दो
Do
ये
you
मैं उठा
like
लूँगा
it, Chong?
अभी 10 मिनट में आते हैं।
This is my nanny.
Happy.
नहीं ये
You are
बैग
happy?
चाहिए होगा भैया चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं मैं कर दूंगा रख दो मैं ले आऊँगा
You have a really good mountain view here.
हाँ ठीक
Actually, the river is dry. We do have the pool, right?
Wait, Chong, swimming pool.
We have to look now. First, let's go and check out the room he was showing us.
बंद हुई भैया डिक्की एक बार करना प्लीज हुई है
This is the
ठीक
place.
ठीक
It's a nice place.
Look, even the this
What?
no, the
नीचे
the popular one.
What is
मोनिका
it? Yes?
नीचे है
Huh?
इधर है इधर
Down?
बिल्कुल नीचे है क्या
This is a kind of what do you call this, Papa?
वैली
No, this kind of stay. Not exactly a hut. What do you call this? I don't. Yeah, like a tent. Yeah, it's like a tent.
It's camping
House.
basically luxury camping
Yeah, you get the view of all of it.
Hey, you need to see. You need to see inside. Inside, you need to see this. It's
What
very
happened?
nice, yeah.
No, are you just this thing? Wow, this is really cool.
So nice. Aja,
ग्रास पे खेलेगा पापा के साथ
No, Tuna.
आजा
Wow,
Even
Come,
the
let's play.
bed.
there's an extra bed as well. I think this is the washroom, right?
So we open it.
पापा उधर चले
Check once.
1 2
Wildlife experience.
Exactly.
इधर मत चले
Look, pomegranate tree.
Oh, yeah.
Pomegranate tree.
Chalo. Where?
No. If you pluck pomegranate leaves and boil it with water, the smell is very nice. Or people they used to drink it without sugar, just like that.
This is mango tree, no?
And this is blackberry tree. Blueberry or
mulberry
Blackberry is a round one.
this is mulberry
this is like the warm one.
yeah the mulberry
Aja. 1, 2, 3.
How is it?
it's good see
The view is really good. Like let's just forget about this thing for once. I mean the resort, but the view.
no, even the resort is good yeah
I'm not saying the resort is not good. I'm saying it's good, but let's just focus on the view, na first.
view is excellent see just
Yeah.
see this part so good so green
Morning, I think the sunrise is going to be great.
Absolutely.
Wait, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stand, stand, stand.
Hello.
He's enjoying. He doesn't get to see this much space in Delhi, right? Hi, guys. We are back. We're just gonna go have our lunch
For day one.
for
And
day
the son
one.
is really hungry.
He's cranky.
And he's saying, chalo, chalo, chalo.
Chalo. This area is really nice. This particular area, na? Like this, the wind is like very because of this tree. I think yeah. Just look at it, guys. Whenever Rohit says Sukoon, this is it. Okay, let's go towards the restaurant area. It's a very nice place, guys. It's very big, and it's not crowded at all. And this is the eating area.
This is the food, guys. We have paneer butter masala. We have aloo jeera. We have yellow tadka dal. We have jeera rice and bundi ka raita, my favorite, and a green salad.
We just have our high tea delivered, so we're gonna have it together. Oh, they gave us pakora and tea. Yeah. Nice. जो केतली जो थोड़ा कम है ना वेट में वो कॉफ़ी है, दूसरा टी है. वाओ, ये व्यू कॉफ़ी एंड चाय.
Right.
Peaceful, na?
Very peaceful.
Like here it's like full of I don't know, less how to say, much of like nature sound, na? The birds.
Yeah, it's all nature sound. I'm not sure if it is.
Like I have been to Manali, we have been to Kasol, we have been to Kasauli, we have been to what is the other
A lot of Himachal and
Shimla,
Uttarakhand places.
but like the sounds of the birds
See, because
and
this is
the nature
pure-
that we get here, now it's very different. Like it's here, it's very soothing, very quiet.
There is no pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, anything.
People must think that we're exaggerating, but they will hear it on the background of the video.
I agree.
Nice. Okay.
This is how, guys, we had our high tea.
Very high.
Although I had coffee, I'm not a tea lover, but my wife and the family, this is how, in front of our cottage, we have a small balcony, a small sitting place, and we had our high tea here. Weather बहुत अच्छा है. I think temperature is around 17 degree right now, 17 डिग्री के करीब है, लेकिन बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी. हवा में बिल्कुल ठंडक है, अच्छे से हवा पास हो रही है अब, क्योंकि चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हो. And it was like good. I wish कि शायद हर शाम ऐसी हो सकती. अभी लगता है कुछ बहुत ही इंटेंस कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है. लेट्स सी कि क्या चल
मैं ये बोल रही थी दिल्ली में बाहर देखो, खिड़की खोलो, दरवाजा खोलो, फ्लैट्स ही फ्लैट्स, बिल्डिंग से बिल्डिंग, और अब देखो आपके सामने माउंटेन as huge as you forget her. She was saying and then
हैप्पी मोमेंट्स हाँ
forget moment.
कौन सी मूवी का सीन है ये?
जस्ट एंजॉयिंग द वेदर
है ना?
दिल्ली के इस भीड़ भाड़ से बाहर निकले हैं तो जस्ट एंजॉयिंग इट
आराम से ना इंसान रिलैक्स करो ऐसे बैठ के।
हाँ कितनी अच्छी लाइफ हो ना कि अगर रोज ऐसा हो सके बट
Hi guys, we got emotional. I think we came like after so long, huh?
yeah because of the kids I think
Yeah. Sometimes priorities. I know it's getting cold. This is the good thing about, you know, like. What?
शेम हो गया
Don't run, you will fall again.
सर्च करो ना सर्च करो ना कल सुबह चलते हैं वहाँ
Yes, guys. It's I think 7. Yes. So we're just sitting around, enjoying the view. See, guys. I think I can stay here forever. It's very calm. It's very peaceful. So yes. Guys, the reason why I have this full makeup on is because I had to shoot few reels here, which you guys will see soon if you follow us on Instagram. I will link down my handle as well as my husband's, Rohit. So do follow us and like our page. Guys, it is so peaceful. It's not, it's chilly, you know, it's not cold, but the wind makes it so the weather is like so refreshing, and you can actually sense that the air is so pure and so clean. I think we can sit like this forever, no?
yeah
So peaceful.
see the voice the nature voice the birds sound voice coming at the background so soothing
See how fat I have become. With this extra fats. Yours is covered with your beard, no? So. What is that?
say that
Yeah, yes, guys, there are lots of peacocks here. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. है ना? बहुत है. We tried to capture few peacocks, but like they try to run away, like they're so fast. But we keep hearing them scream. What happened, Satvik? Huh? Okay, do it. Oh ho. Focus. Wait. Okay, so maybe we'll have our dinner at around 9 or 8:30 because we just had tea and coffee with some snacks. Later on, after that, we'll definitely sleep because today we haven't slept much. We woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning, so we'll just go back to sleep and then prepare for tomorrow again. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. दिन बहुत लंबा है कल. आज के लिए मतलब हम डिनर करके हम सोने के लिए तैयारी करेंगे और उसके बाद कल के लिए फिर प्लानिंग. Okay, I just want you guys to see something. Okay. These two never leaving a moment. The moment they get a cricket bat in their hand, they start this. Hi, Satvik! What is that? Yes!
You can even do sitting outside.
Hi guys! So we're just planning for tomorrow.
There to say hi.
Vlog बना रही हूँ. बोलो. Say ipi. Say ipi. Say ipi ham. They will like just it. Just say one word now. Just say ipi ham.
Ipi ham.
Also say nato. Say nato. I just say this word nato.
I know what is the meaning of it.
Let's have
like this.
dinner.
Huh. Like this.
Sorry, you need to. Salad, rice. I think this is dal, right?
Yeah.
Chicken. This is paneer. And this is the bread.
Lacha paratha.
Lacha parantha. Happy dinners. Water.